100 Needohs.
Every single Nee-doh.
7 straight days of searching. Up to 6 hours each day. I found over 100 Needohs, and today we're gonna rank them. Viewer discretion is advised because I spent more time looking for Needohs than I did working my full-time job this week. And before anyone comes after me, I got them for you. Not to be dramatic, but this vlog may change your life. Welcome back to the series where I spend my lunch money on showing you Needohs that I found. That way you can pick out which ones you want and I can go eat off the dollar menu. There's only one thing about these Needohs. I've never seen them, and this was a dead stock store.
Now, let me show you our contenders for the day. We have this one that was taped together by shreds. Found another monster. Found the gummy bears. Then I found the marble one. There's a plot twist with the gummy bear. The dupe made me better. Oh, I said it. I said it. Our first contender are the gummy bears. Okay, wait. Let's back this up. I went to a Disney store today and they had these. Here they are. Now, fun fact, I opened one of these and this is just water inside of it. Don't ask me how I know. It went everywhere. But this is what it looks like. It does just feel like water. I feel like the new Needohs are a million times better. I'm not really a water fan, but we're gonna rank these to the leaderboard. Girl, this is like our third time ranking them. At this point, we are just doing buy or no, okay? This one's a no. Just kidding, we have to put it in the box. I need it for a TikTok later. But we have an orange one. I was confused because it calls it groovy grape, but it doesn't have a scent. But this is what it looks like. 3, 2, 1, power move. Oh, just kidding. Power move. Okay, here's the orange. Okay. I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. The dupe is better. This is a $2.99 dupe from Hobby Lobby. This is the actual Nee-doh, okay? This is like the ice one. It is amazing. It is flawless. I would buy 20 of these. $2.99 at Hobby Lobby, tons of them. This is just like water. Nice, moldable, stress reducing, water. We're gonna cut them open, and these are gonna be the first to get cut open. But don't ask me, because there were 3 and now there's only 2. Okay, to the next one. Oh, Maddie, there's so many Needohs. How are we gonna decide what goes first? You know. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. Next contender, the marble. Okay. I had seen these in TikToks and shorts, but I hadn't really like found one in the wild per se. But tonight, I found one again at the Disney store. But ready? 3, 2, 1. Shoot, I am gonna knock this camera over. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's like, spoiler alert, because we will be doing this at one point. This is nothing but water. And if you do in fact take a little pokey thing and you poke it, it will literally shoot straight out. How do I know? Well, that's some of it in there right now. Destroyed Needohs and then forgot to press record on my camera. But this one isn't really stretchy. This is like one you would get like out of a vending machine. It's pure water. So I don't know why, but like the 2 I found tonight were not like the regular like creamy Needohs. Like these were just both pure water. You know what this means? To the board. A simple yes or no. No. Okay. Here's where the mystery comes in, because I went to like a semi-dead stock store, and if you don't know what that is, it's something that's been going viral on TikTok, and it's a store that sells like the old-timey things. And by old-timey things, I mean things from like 2015, which really isn't that old. But it had like SpongeBob and Hannah Montana. Well, they had this, okay? This is exactly how it came. It was $5 and it came just like this. And it says it's like a doji, I guess, but it's supposed to be a monster. And the monsters you pop, swap, squeeze, collect, okay? Nowhere on there is there a square Nee-doh. But that's what came with it. And I'm dead serious. Like I can literally show you the video where I found it in the store and was like, oh, let's get it. And then I was like, this is not correct. But it changes colors. It's very good. We're back onto the good train of like the smooth Nee-dohs, but it changes colors. Honestly, I had never seen one of these because I don't know if I have one out here. I only have the color changing regular ones. So I didn't even know there was a square that color changed, but It's not bad. Being said, rankings. I don't want to walk over there again, but yes, I would buy it. Time for the monsters. Okay, these are a little weird because I've never seen these. These were the ones that the other one was in the package for, but they are like mystery monsters. And the idea behind these is that a ball pops out. Okay, so I already opened this one. This is the Nee-doh, right? It's a little awkward to hold because it's like a figurine, but then you pop out the ball and it's like the mini Nee-dohs that we unpackaged in the beginning. So it's kind of cool, but they're smooth and it's not the crunchy one, but it's very odd. But I guess you could literally get, like I have a pink one here. I think this one's smaller. Are they? Is one smaller? I feel like the yellow is smaller, but let's see if this will fit. Yeah, you could just change them out based on your mood. Not that I would do pink on pink, but leaderboard. This one, would I buy it again? A simple yes or no. Honestly, yes. I actually think the concept of it's actually really cute that you can just like and pick a new one. So I would buy it again. But welcome to Maddie's halftime show. And what are we doing today? Well, we're out of dumplings, okay? We're out of dumplings. So we're gonna cut open a Nee-doh, okay? This is my cut open ball. It has a lot in it because I just filmed all my shorts for the night and realized I forgot to press record. So there's a lot of them in here. I know these have the best slime in it, but I refuse to do it. I love them. This is the worst one I've ever had. It's so sticky. Okay, moment of truth. Sticky material. It's sticky on the inside, it's sticky on the outside. A color changing Nee-doh. Not really sure what that entails, but we're gonna open it. I would really think it'd be cool if these were like mood rings and they changed with like heat, I guess. Okay. I love how they look when they first come out because you know after like 15 minutes they're getting dirty. Wait. Oh, they're not mood ones. They change colors when you squeeze them. I definitely like the pink and purple. Maybe we'll cut one open. Whoa, my voice cracked. It might be a bad day month here, but it's not a bad life. I'll see you on the flippy floppy. That is the way to enter, and I can't wait to show you guys how special you guys are, and thank you for being a part of my community.